Hello everyone, this is Lee from LED Lamps World. I'm glad to be here to introduce this Undercabinet light for you. So now let's see what we have in the box. You can see that there is a light strip, a power adapter, I'm trying to take it out, and a user manual and a dimmer switch. It seems that the item is missing something. The rest of the parts are stuck in the box, so we have to open the other side of the box to take it out. So one thing you need to notice is that you should never forget to check the box before you throw it away. And now we finally had all the parts. Before the installation, let's spend a little time on the view of the light. You can see that the light has 42 powerful LED chips and there are protective films on the back and the top. You could remove it just like I'm doing now. Okay, remove them. I love the low profile design of the light. The body reflects a soft metal luster. I love it. It's slim and light enough to make me feel like I am grabbing a ruler. Just connect them together, then we have finished the installation. Okay, wait a second. I connect them together. There are some tips you need to know. Number 1, you need at least 14 inches for the light. You can see that. 14 inches because of the connector. And number 2, the adhesive tapes could work perfectly on clean and smooth surface. They are too strong to be removed, so think twice before sticking. You could cut a small piece from the adhesive tape to support the dimmer. If you stick the adhesive tape on somewhere full of dust or rough surface, they won't last. For convenience, I stick it on the table to use the dimmer. If you have any problem during your installation or while using, hope you could contact us. We would solve the problem for you, so don't worry about that. And we would add the post-sale cards to our products gradually, so you could contact us easier. It's time to turn on the light. Turn the knob to adjust the brightness. You can see that it's totally safe for touching. And no one had ever complained about the temperature of the strip while using. That means the light really has a fast heat dissipation. Let's see how it works in somewhere dark. I almost forgot to tell you, don't put the light right above a stove because the steam will damage the light gradually. So that's all the introduction of the product. Hope it could help you. Thanks for watching.